Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 47. Today, we're diving into how to master licensed delivery kits, how to package your repeatable service process into a licensed implementation kit, and turning into predictable visa qualifying income. Quick hook. If you find yourself doing the same 3 or 4 tasks on every project, onboarding audits, email sequences, SEO checklists, design handoffs, you're already sitting on a product. Instead of trading time for money one project at a time, you can package that repeatable delivery into a licensed kit, templates, SOPs, and short training that clients or partner teams pay a recurring fee to use. That shifts your business from one-off invoices to predictable licensing revenue that immigration and visa programs actually recognize as stable income. Why this matters right now? Many nomads I work with tell me their biggest worry isn't finding clients, it's making income predictable enough for visas, leases, and travel plans. Licensing repeatable delivery solves that. It preserves your freedom to travel, avoids the overhead of hiring full-time staff, and produces recurring, contractable revenue that looks clean on bank statements and immigration paperwork. It also scales. One kit, multiple licensees, and optional paid support retainers. That combination, portability, predictability, and scale, is a rare win for location-independent professionals.
Okay, here's a simple 3-step framework to convert repeatable service work into a licensable implementation kit. I'll walk each step with clear actions you can take today.
Step 1. Choose the right repeatable process. Pick a process with 3 traits: measurable outcomes, strong customer pain-it addresses, and minimal client custom work. Start by auditing 5 of your recent projects. For each, ask, what tasks did I repeat? Which deliverables moved the needle for the client? Which tasks were easy to document? Give each candidate a score 1 to 5 on impact, repeatability, and ease of training. Prioritize the top 1 or 2. Example candidates: an onboarding conversion audit, a weekly content calendar template, a rapid site launch checklist. The goal is a small scope that reliably delivers value every single time. Step 2. Modularize the delivery. Break that process into 3 to 6 modules so licensees can adopt incrementally. Each module should include a single template or deliverable, a 1-page SOP, a checklist for quality, and a 5 to 10-minute screen-recorded training video. For example, Module A, Intake and Access Checklist. Module B, 7-point onboarding audit template. Module C, Conversion template and A/B test SOP. Keep modules short and action-focused so partners can implement without you on a daily basis. Ship a clear acceptance checklist licensees use to confirm proper setup. That's your guardrail for quality. Step 3. Price the license and support. Use value-based anchors and simple tiers. Common structures that work for nomads: a flat monthly license fee for the kit, a per-seat fee for each user, and a premium seat that includes quarterly review calls. Example pricing tier: Basic Kit, $450 per month, templates plus videos, self-serve. Team Kit, $1,200 per month, up to 3 seats plus quarterly onboarding call. Certified Implementation, $3,000 per month, includes certified implementation and SLA. For visa-friendly income, prefer monthly or quarterly billing so revenue looks consistent. Always require a signed license agreement before access and include a minimum support retainer to protect margins. Here's an anonymized case study to make this concrete. A nomad copywriter I'll call Maya was selling conversion audits and email swipe packages at $1,200 per project. She noticed 60% of her work was repeating the same onboarding audit and 3 conversion templates. Over 8 weeks, she packaged her audit into a 4-module kit: intake template, audit checklist, 3 conversion templates, and 3 6-minute training clips. She launched a licensed monthly offer: $600 per month for the kit, $1,500 per month for a premium license that included a monthly review call. Within 3 months, she signed 4 licensees and replaced 2 client projects worth $2,400 per month with $3,000 recurring. Higher margin, less management, and cleaner bank statements that helped with a residency application. The timeline: 2 weeks to build, 2 weeks to pilot, month 3 for scale. Common mistakes nomads make and how to avoid them. First, overcomplication. Trying to productize an entire bespoke process. Fix: start small and modular. Second, weak documentation, vague SOPs that leave licensees stuck. Fix one-page SOPs and short videos that demonstrate exact clicks. Third, poor scope limits, unlimited revisions or ambiguous usage rights. Fix clear scope in a license, acceptance criteria, and a minimum support retainer. Fourth, legal and resale exposure. You need a simple license that forbids resale without permission. If you're not a lawyer, use a concise template in your course or get a brief consult. Small upfront guardrails save reputation and time later. Immediate action step, a 30-minute sprint you can do right now. 1. Open 5 recent project folders and list every repeatable task for 2 minutes. 2. Pick the single task that appears most often and write a 1-sentence promise of outcome, the client benefit. 3. Outline 3 modules you could produce this week, a template name, a 1-page SOP heading, and a 2-sentence script for a 6-minute video. Put a 30-minute timer and finish as a draft. This is the most important step. Finish something imperfect and iterate. That's your blueprint. Ready to go deeper? Visit nomadlifesuccess.com/courses to download the licensing checklist, grab templates, and the simple license agreement I mentioned. If you want my templates for SOPs and the short training scripts, they're in the course resources. Your skills are your superpower. Let's turn them into premium rates and true location freedom. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Nomad High Income Skills. Your skills are your superpower. Let's turn them into premium rates and true location freedom.